Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my name is Muhammad Akas and my topic is Impact of Islam on Indian Culture. I will discuss about some main impacts that were caused by Islam. The first and main impact was the spread of Islam. The main cause of spread of Islam in India was Sufis, who played an important role in spread of Islam. The Sufis were well-read, widely traveled and spiritual leaders of the masses. They succeeded in their mission because they had both the strength of character and the courage of conviction, and were selfless and devoted to their cause. Their movement made inroads in the subcontinent and it grew powerful and successful for a number of reasons. Notable figures of the 13th century Sufis movement into Indo-Pak were the four friends known as Charyars: Hazrat Fariduddin Khan Chakkar of Pakistan, Hazrat Sayyid Jalaluddin Bukhari, Ulma of Uch Bahawalpur, Hazrat Bahauddin Zakaria of Multan, and Hazrat Lal Shahbaz Qalandar of Simon. It is said that 17 leading tribes of the Punjab accepted Islam at the hands of Sufis. The Sufis highlighted Allah's positive and merciful attributes to ignite a love of God in people's heart. Impact on Hinduism. Islam had a great impact on Hinduism. In Hinduism, the caste system divides Hindus into four main categories: Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and the Shudras, while Islam has equal rights for everyone. So people of lower caste in India started movement against caste system. The Islamic message of universal brotherhood, introduction of equality in society, rejection of caste system and untouchability, opposition to idol worship, and the idea of oneness of God threw up a powerful challenge to the upholders of Hinduism. A new religion, Sikhism, started in 14th century by Baba Guru Nanak. Before Sikhism, people were Hindus. It is said that Sikhism has many mixed traditions with Hinduism and Islam. Mujaddid al-Fisani. Mujaddid al-Fisani was a Muslim reformist of 17th century. In 1604, the trembling conditions of Muslim society forced Sheikh Ahmad to come forward and play his due role in the revival of Islam and bringing spiritual peace and stability to lives of Muslims of subcontinent. Political influence. India was first time gathered as a political unit. All Muslims gathered as a political unit, which solidified the influence of Islam, leading to tangible political and socio-cultural impacts in the region. Cultural impact. Muslims of India adopted many local traditions as well as Hindus adopted many traditions of Muslims. As a result, a new culture was developed in the subcontinent, including mixed traditions of Muslims and Hindus. Shah Waliullah was a great Muslim reformist of 18th century in India. He educated Muslims to India to emancipate Muslim society from economic injustices and social biases. He was an authentic theologian and scholar of Islam. He had great understanding of Quran and Hadith. He became the cause to invite Ahmad Shah Abdali to India in order to fight Marathas who were undermining Mughal rule at that time. Literature. The living together by the Hindus and Muslims not only developed mutual respect and cooperation for each other, rather it also brought a linguistic synthesis. Urdu became the outcome of this. It was a mixture of Persian, Arabic and Turkish words with the concepts and languages of Sanskrit origin. This Urdu became a common language in the medieval period. Hindu society. The Hindu society was largely influenced by Islam. The Purta system became prevalent in Hindu society by following Islamic practices. The Hindu women who were living in home now moved outside their houses covered with contents in the royal harems of Hindu rulers, who the system was rigidly informed. Further, the age of puberty did not become the criteria for the marriage of a Hindu girl. On the other hand, child marriage was introduced in Hindu society in imitation with the Muslim practice. The condition and position of Hindu women collapsed considerably in the Hindu society, and they became more and more dependent on the man. Slavery. An unhealthy feature of social life that crept into Hindu society was slavery. It was very common in society, and more obviously it was a well-known practice with the Delhi sultans and Mughal emperors. Their nobles and emirs also maintained slaves, both male and female. The Hindu leaders and feudal lords adopted this institution of slavery, and it exerted great impact on Indian society. Dress and food. Another result of a contact with the Muslims was that the Hindus adopted Muhammadan dress and food. Food like pulao, kebab, biryani, etc. were adopted by the Hindus. The Hindu rulers adopted Muslim etiquette of sitting arrangements for various classes by following the practices of the Delhi court. Dance and music. The two famous instruments that were developed in that time was tar and tabla. Tarana, Thumri, Ghazal and Qawwali were popular Islamic contributions to the Indian classical music. Art and architecture. The influence of Islam on Hindu art and architecture was adequate discernible. The common features of Islamic architecture was its massive structures in the forms of building mosques, domes, courtyards, huge walls, etc. The Islamic influence of architecture was largely felt on the construction of Hindu temples, palaces, and buildings. Also, the Islam borrowed the design of lotus, kalash, different Indian flowers, the creepers, mango leaves, etc. from the Hindus' architectural forms. Thus, both the Hindus and Muslims responded in a nobler way by following each other's architectural designs. It can be concluded that Islam has a great impact on subcontinent. It changed the lifestyles and traditions of people living here. A large number of people changed their religion and converted to Islam. These were some main impacts of Islam on Indian culture. Thank you for your precious time. Have a nice day. Thanks.